Hi, hello friends, it's Jolene. I'm back again. I'm filming my third video of the day. I had mentioned in my other videos that I had COVID catch up with me in 2023, finally, and it's kicked my butt. So I've been down for about 2 weeks, and it has not been fun. I keep waiting for a day I'll feel good enough to film, which today was the day. It didn't happen until late in the day, so I'm losing my sunlight. But anyway, I'm here to film, and this video is, yep, it's a Temu. So, and it's a big box, but there's not much in it. So, let's get to it. You know, I usually like to have my bags open before I start filming, but here we go. So I am ready to share what we got in here. I opened up some of the items so it wouldn't be quite so bad. The first thing I'm going to pull out is another ring. I love their little costume jewelry. This one is little tiny hearts in it. Here we go. So I like it. It's kind of dainty. It's kind of fun. So there's that. The next thing, and that was a 68 cents. Whoopee! Okay, and then the next thing I got is an identity protection roller stamp for, this is, let's see, for identity identification. It shields identity. What it is, see if I can get it open here. Okay, it's just a roller, and you would think I would have something here. I have a little box, so I'm going to show you what it does. So you just roll it like this. You can cover up an address or numbers or whatever. So it's just kind of a security thing if you need it. So it can come in handy sometimes when filming even. So there's that. That was $2.78. And the next thing I have here, the reason why I bought this, I kind of have another one of these. This is like a makeup brush holder. But I like this one because it spins and it matches the bigger, remember the bigger rounds that I got that I can keep makeup or perfume in, whatever. So this kind of matches that, so it'll look nice and aesthetic on my makeup counter. The last thing I have in just this, this was a smaller order. I only ordered 4 things, but one of them was kind of a bigger item. And I saw someone else with this, and I kind of thought it looked cool. I don't know if it's going to be too big to put in on my makeup set or not, but it's just a, it has place up here. You can put taller bottles and whatnot. Has a thing in here for that can put lipsticks or eye, you know, stuff. Then it has 3 compartments over here that can also hold, or has 4 compartments on this side that holds things. It's got 2 front drawers that are pretty good size, so actually I could pretty much hold everything I use in a day and more in this, so I can just keep it handy on my makeup counter. I'm going to try it. I'll let you know how it goes. I'm going to put a picture down below so you can, or a picture, not down below. I'll put a picture on the screen just to show you kind of what it looks like filled up. So there's that. Okay, so the next package I'm going to show today is, well, actually I just got this in another little package. I keep ordering these So flowers. They smell so good, and I've already given them in little gifts to friends. So it's just kind of a fun little perfume to have. I don't know if you have a gift closet like I do, but I keep things. So there's that. And then I also got another Rare Beauty, a different color of the blush. This one's kind of a darker one. I'm not sure. Ooh, I don't know if I'll like it. Let me see. Well, it's not too bad. Looked kind of orange at first, but it's dark, like I said, but it'll blend in to a nice color that's me. I do a wide range of blushes. Sometimes I like really pink, light pink. Sometimes I like the darker mauve, whatever. So I like all kinds of blushes. So I'm excited to use that. Here's another bag. Another TEMU bag. Let's see what I pull out first. I got some slippers. I just think these are really cute. They had some furry ones, and by the time I got to them, they were sold out. So I tried these. Oh, these are so soft. These are really fun. Okay. So I'm excited about these. Yay. So, and what did I pay for these? I paid only $6.78. Are you kidding me? They're light as clouds. There's something you can wear out. There's something you wear around the house. Really good buy. Yay. Excited about that. The next thing I'm pulling out here is, something fun. I got something fun. Okay, this is a heart wash baseball cap candy color trend. This was $4.17. Sorry for all the noise. Came with a thing in it to try to keep it in place, but oh, it feels good. It's just I like it. It's got the kind of the garment wash. This is the color is rose red, but I look at it more as a hot pink. So what do you think? What do you think? It's a little bit big, but it has a tightener. So I can tighten it. Not sure I'm going to try this now, but it does tighten. So that's cute, right? Okay, I did get another pair of glasses. I tried to get a different color than I had before, but these were the ones that I really like. And this is kind of a pinky floral color. So I really like these glasses, I'm not going to lie. They feel like really good quality. They have good hinges on them that go, you know, that bend. So there's that. What else we got in here? Looks like cosmetic stuff. Let me see where we are here. 4-color lip plumping oil. Is that what this is? I don't know why. This is different colors. I think I've had this before. I think I bought this before and really liked it. So let me just show you one. It came, I got 2 colors here, it looks like. Okay, here we go. Yeah. This one's kind of a pinky color. The other one looks like a little more brighter pink. So yay. I'm excited. Okay, that was $2.97 for the 2. Come on, guys, you just can't beat these prices. I'm not even kidding. Especially for a tried and true product like this has been for me. So, Okay, this is called a 3-color liquid blush. Not sure which color this is. This is the So Alive. It was one of the lighter colors that they had. So put it next to the darker Rare Beauty I had. It's definitely lighter. See it on top right here. Okay. This is really random, you guys. Okay, so my husband cuts his own hair, what hair he does have. And so this was, let's see. This is called Adult Medium Size Haircut Cloak Cloth. It was $1.49, so I thought I'd try it. So you just put it over your head, and then it flips up so the hair doesn't get all over. You can just put the hair in here. I don't know if it'll, I mean, he always sweeps it up, but we'll see. Just had to get it. Okay, the next thing I have here, now I have another one of these in a video I'm not showing today, but this is the cup. You guys, it's so cute. I have to put a picture up because they have it arranged so cute, but it's a one-piece glass tumbler, medieval style glass teacup. Now this cup was $6.47, which is a little pricey for Temu, but it's really nice. And I didn't get it to use as a glass. I just thought it'd be a really cute vase, a small vase. I have a small compact thing of flowers that'll come out pretty on this. So I'm excited about this. We'll be using it for decor. There. The other one I got was a little bit smaller of one, and I just thought the bigger one would look better with these flowers that I chose. Okay, let's see. I just have a couple more things in here. Okay, I've already gotten these before, but one of them broke. And I could probably return it because I only wore it like once or twice, but I just decided to buy a new one. And these are a little more pricey compared to some of the jewelry, but still for $3.48, and it's my favorite pair of earrings. I could actually be wearing them today. Okay, it broke as I was pulling it out. I'm kind of mad. Now I am going to return it. Dang, I think I can fix it though. But it's just the drop hearts. It's hot pink, and I love hot pink. So a little bit disappointed with the quality, especially because I'll buy a 68-cent item and it'll last and be great, and then I pay $3.48 for jewelry and it breaks. What do you know? But anyway, it just came off the hook, so I think it can be easily fixed. I don't know. Anyway, okay, so that's that. The last thing I have in here, let's see, is that it? Is a dress. I don't know if I showed this before. I did get, no. Okay. This is one of those Instagram got me, okay? This is Instagram got me, and I bought this dress on Instagram, and I think I paid like maybe $24 for it or something like that, and I really liked it. Then I go on Temu and I see it for like $10 and realize that, you know, someone's making money off of Temu, most likely on Instagram. But it's just a little sundress. It's lined, so it's pretty good quality. So it's not real long, but it's got a ruffle. Anyway, I can put a picture up. So yeah, So I went ahead and bought one for $9.99. Now I have two. One I spent like over twice as much on. But anyway, so that's that. And I think that was it for this one. So what do you think? Is there anything you loved? Did you like the glass or what I'm going to use as a base? Did you like the hat? Yes. I hope I can wear this once I get it to fit right. But there's that. The makeup case. I got fun things. I'm so excited about these. I can't wait to put these on. Show you a picture. So anyway, that's it for my Temu haul for today. I have one more. This is it for my filming today. I did pretty good, guys. I filmed, I did 3 films. I did a ALLURE, an Ipsy, and now the Temu, and then I'm going to do some shorts. And my sunlight's about gone, so I'm feeling better, like yay, I'm feeling so much better, so I'm excited about that. So hopefully COVID is going bye-bye. Anyway, so thanks for joining me. Thanks for being my friends. And we will see ya in the next one, okay? All right, bye-bye.